Activity time, children. Today we wrote bag, lag, rag, tag, wag, flag. So we took out our ag cards. Now for the activity you will require B card, L card, R card, T card, W card and F card. L we have, okay? So get ready. We did ag words today, and let's do our practice. First word, bag. So the first sound is B. Let's take out a B card and join with ag. So we have bag. Next word, lag. So the first sound changes and L comes in and joins. Let's read. Now children, read loudly. Lag, lag. Next word, rag. First sound changes and we bring in r. So rag. Next word, tag. So r goes out and we bring in which letter? Yes, T. So we have tag. Tag. Now next word, wag. So we remove T and bring in wag. Next word, flag. For L we need 2, so we will remove V and bring in F and L. Okay, we need F, L and we will join. It will become flag. F, L, A, G. Flag. Well done, children. Practice your words with alphabet card. All the best.